Question number 2, second part. 34. Find the sum of given below. 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. Okay. So first term is 34. Common difference is second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 2. Last term is 10. Okay. We don't know how many terms are there. So first of all, we'll put that formula L equals to A plus N minus 1D to find N. Okay. L is 10, A is 34, N minus 1 into D is minus 2. So 10 equals to 34 minus 2 into N minus 1. We can write this way again. So 34 minus 2N plus 2, or 2N equals to 34 plus 2 minus 10. Just we have changed these positions. So 2N equals to 26, N equals to 13. We got number of terms. Now we have to find Sn. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. When we know first and last term, we'll put this formula. 13 by 2, a is 34 and l is 10. Okay. So 13 by 2 into 44. So this is 22. Okay. Now we'll multiply. That is equal to 13 into 22, 286. This is the answer. Third part. Okay, some have done it, but I think many have not done it. So I am doing this next part also. Minus 8, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 up to minus of 230. A is equal to minus 5. D is common difference.
minus 3.
Oh, sorry. D is second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. L is minus 230. We'll find number of terms. L equals to A plus N minus 1D. L is minus 230. A is minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 3. That is minus 230 equals to minus 5 minus of 3 N minus 1. Minus 230 equals to minus 5 minus 3N plus 3, or 3N equals to 230 minus 5 plus 3. Basically we have changed this and this. Okay. Now we'll find this number. So 230 minus 5 is 225 plus 3 is 228. Okay. So 3N equals to 228, or N equals to 228 upon 3. Okay. That is equal to
76.
Okay, 76, right. Okay, so total number of terms are 76. We have to find Sn. Sn equals to n by 2, a plus l. N by 2 is, n is 76 upon 2, a is minus 5, and l is minus 230. Okay, so this will be equal to 76 upon 2 into minus of 235. So this will be 76 divided by 2, that is 38 into 235, that is equal to minus of 8930. This is the answer. First part, A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, find N and Sn. Okay. Now here actually in third question, every part is different. Okay. So we have to think how we can find. Now if we know An, we just write the formula An equals to A plus N minus 1D. Okay. Here we know An, we know A, we know D. That means this can be used to find the value of N. Okay. So we'll find N from here. An is 50, A is 5, and we don't know, D is 3, and We'll solve 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5 equals to 3 into n minus 1, or 45 equals to n minus 3 into n minus 1, or n minus 1 equals to 45 upon 3. So that is equal to 15. N equals to 16. Okay. Now Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. जो an है वो l भी है. It's same only. Okay. So n is 16 by 2, 5 plus 50. So this is equal to 8. 8 into 55 will be the answer. Okay. So okay. So this is equal to 440.3. Okay. So this is Sn and this is n. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next part. Second part. A is 7. A 13 is 35. We have to find D. We have to find S of 13. Okay. Now A of 13 equals to A plus 13 minus 1, that is equal to 12, D. Okay. Here we can see we know A of 13, we know A, we don't know D. So this can be used to find D. कोई भी इक्वेशन है उसमें खाली एक अननोन है तो हम उससे उसी इक्वेशन से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अगर दो अननोन है तो हमको वैसी ही 2 इक्वेशंस चाहिएंगी. So A is 13 is 35, A is 7 plus 12 into D. 35 minus 7 equals to 12D. So 35 minus 7, that is equal to 28, equals to 12D, or D equals to 28 upon 12, that is equal to 14 by 6 or 7 by 3. Okay. So D is 7 by 3. We have to find S13. S13 equals to n by 2, A plus L. As we know A13, we can use here. N is 13 by 2, A is 7, and L is 35. So 35 plus 7, that is equal to 42 into 13 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 273. Okay. So S13 is 273. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question you will try. First, third question, third part. A12 is 37. D is 3. Okay. So same formula. A12 equals to A plus 11D. Here D we know, A12 we know, so we can find A from it. Okay. We have to find A and S12. We just A12 we know, D we know, so we can find A. So we'll be using this formula. 37 equals to A plus 11 into 3. That is 37 equals to A plus 33. A equals to 37 minus 33. That is equal to 4. Okay. A we got. S12 we have to find. S12 is n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1D. Here we can't use the formula n by 2A plus L because we don't know the last term here. Okay, we know the last term, so we can use that also. That one is easy actually. Whenever we know the last term, we'll use that one only. So n is 12 by 2, A is 4, and L is 37. Okay. So it is equal to 6 into 41. So this will be the answer. So this is S12. Okay. these are the answers. Then some of the students have finished. Actually, answers are given at the back. You can check your answers from the back. A3 equals to 15. S10 equals to 125. We have to find D. We have to find A10. A3 equals to A plus 2D. Okay. A we don't know, D we don't know. So we can't use this to find anything like any A or D. We will need one more equation. S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9, and D, or I'll write the formula, then it will be more easy for you what I'm doing. So A3 is 15, so A plus 2D equals to 15. This is the first equation. Now S10 is given, Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1, D. Sn means S10 is 125 equals to n by 2, n is 10, that is 10 by 2 is 5, 2A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9, D. Okay, so 125 upon 5 equals to 2A plus 9D, 5, 2, 5. So 2A plus 9D equals to 25. Okay, so this is equation 2. Okay, now we have to solve this 2 equation. I'm rewriting these equations. 2A plus 9D equals to 25 and A plus 2D equals to 15. We can't do directly by just subtracting. So what we'll do, we'll multiply second equation by 2. Equation 2 will be multiplied by 2 to make this thing 2A. Okay, so it will be 2A plus 4D equals to 30. This is equation 3. Now equation 3 minus equation 1. So 2A plus 4D minus 2A plus 9D equals to 30 minus 25. So 2A plus 4D minus 2A minus 9D equals to 5. So minus of 5D equals to 5, D equals to minus 1. Okay, so D we got. We have to find the other thing is A10 we have to find. A10 equals to A plus, first of all we'll substitute this D equals to 1 in equation 1 or in equation 2. Substituting D equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So when we'll substitute D equals to minus 1 in equation 2 means A plus 2D equals to 15. So A minus 2 equals to 15. A will be equal to 17. Now we have to find A10. A10 is A plus 9D. A is 17. D is minus 1. So this will be equal to 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. So this and this are the results which we obtained. D is 5, S9 is 75. We have to find A and A9. Okay. Now here D is 5 and S9 is 75. Sn equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. So n we don't know, A also we don't know. So n minus 1, S9 it is. So okay, n we know 9 here. Okay. It will be 9 minus 1, 8 and D is 5. Okay. And S9 is 75. So 75 equals to 9 by 2, 2A plus 40. Okay. So this will be 75 into 2 upon 9. Basically we are sending this here and this here equals to 2A plus 40. Okay. So 150 upon 9 equals to 2A plus 40. or 2a equals to 150 upon 9 minus 40. So that is equal to 150 minus 360 upon 9, that is equal to 210 upon 9 equals to 2a. Okay. So it is 150 minus 360, that is equal to minus 210. So 2a equals to minus of 210 upon 9. When we'll cut it by 3, this is 3 and this is 70. So a will be equal to minus of 70 upon 2 into 3. So it will be minus 35 upon 3. So a is minus 35 upon 3. We have to find a9. Okay. So we know a, we know d. So we can find a9 also. Can I change the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. A9 equals to a plus 8d. A is minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 into d is 5. That is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. That is minus 35 plus 40, 120 upon 3. So my plus 85 upon 3. This will be A9. Okay. A9 is this and A is this. These are the two answers. If anybody is copying, you can note it down. N we have to find and AN we have to find. Okay. So Sn, okay, Sn equals to n by 2, A plus L is An only. Okay. But N and An both are unknown. So An equals to A plus n minus 1 D. A is 2, N we don't know, n minus 1, and D is 8. So An is 2 plus 8n minus 8, that is equal to 8n minus 6 is An. Okay. Now Sn, substituting this An here, this is 1, this is 2, substituting 2 in 1. Okay. So here we'll get Sn equals to n by 2, A is 2, An is 8n minus 6. So that is equal to n by 2. 2 minus 6 is 4, minus 4. So and Sn is 90. So 90 into 2 is 180 equals to 8n square minus 4n. We'll get a quadratic equation here. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. Dividing by 4 in entire equation, 2n square minus n, 4 4s are 16, 5 equals to 0. Okay. Now product of two numbers is minus 90 and their sum is minus 1. So we have to think the numbers. Minus 90, so 9 and 10. 2n square minus 10n minus plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. Okay. Product is minus. So 2n if we take common, n minus 5 plus 9 if we take common, n minus 5 equals to 0. So n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 equals to 0. So n will be equal to 5 because n cannot be in fraction. So 2n plus 9 equals to 0 put karenge, then it will be minus 9 by 2. So which is not possible. Now we know n. If we'll substitute n here, we'll get the value of an. So an is equal to 8n minus 6. N is 5, so 8 into 5 minus 6, that is equal to 40 minus 6, that is equal to 34. This is the answer. And this one.